So, who you freaking talking to like that? Can you suck my dick? Huh? Can you please suck my dick? Who you talking to, my nigga, bitch? Yo. This nigga bitch. This nigga bitch. This is so basically I'm doing a video with me. Playing with my friends. Y'all can't hear because I have two mics connected. But so go. Well, enjoy the video. So what's popping over here, shit? You wanna smoke? No shit, Sherlock. No, shut the fuck up. Oh my god. That's Alexander, dog. Yes. I know. Cool. I know. I don't know what this kid is talking about, dog. Wait, Brian, I have you as a friend? Yeah, you do actually. Yeah, I saw you in my friends list. Fuck. My controller's charging. I found my charger. Agent, I found my charger. As soon as I fucking left, 2 minutes later, I found my charger. Holy shit, my nigga. Damn. Oh. Alright, everybody. Y'all ready to get shitted on? Call team 1. Agent, he said agents. Bro, what the hell? 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 The lag is real, dog. Damn. Ah, there you go. What the? Alright, dog. Remember, no purple or shit shotguns. You heard, Brian? No purple or legendary pumps. Alright, dog. Bro, I can't. Nope. Unfortunately, nope. What the fuck, bro? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. What's up, Brian? Oh, my nigga. Hey, Brian. Hey, Brian. This is so fucking awkward. Alright. I want a legendary respawn. I want a legendary scar. A blue pump. A blue pump. I'm playing with you, dog. Damn. Let me get my blue pump. Okay. Go away, Brian. You got your shit. Let me get a bolt. Let me get a bolt. Actually, give me a hunting rifle. Give me a hunting rifle. Isn't it unlimited? Isn't it unlimited? I mean, yeah, it is unlimited. Yeah, it's unlimited. Yeah, it's unlimited. Switch teams, Brian. My nigga, switch teams. I said call team 1, dog. Alright, bro. Snipers only. Snipers only first, Brian. Agent, no third party. Nigga, you could just fly. There you go. Yup. What? I can't even build either. What? Bro, you can't third party. Agent. Nigga. Bro, Agent, switch to team 2. Bro, I completely forgot that. Agent. Huh? What? Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, you can't fly, Brian. You can't fly, Brian. Come down here, buddy. What? Bro, there's no full shield either? Agent, kill him. Agent, kill him. Sorry, Brian. I used the wrong gun. Ah! What? Bro, I can't fucking build. What? No! Damn it! Can't fucking build. Damn. Ding! What's up? Alright. Damn. Okay. Guys, I don't know what he's doing. Yo, Brian, you wanna say hi to the video? Dime. Claro. Alright, man. Yeah, and fight. We can build now. I can't build. Brian, come over here, pussy ass. What the fuck? You ain't. Alright, shoddy, I bet. Bitch, I can't even build either. No. Bro, you're fucking... Bro, agent no third party, dog. No! Die, bitch, die. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Can I build now? I can't. Oh my fucking god. Guys, I'm gonna have to end it here in like 5 minutes. Facts, bro. What the fuck? Where's my builds at too? Oh my god, bro. This game is dumb. Sucking dick forever. Wait, what? I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Nope. Nah, bro. How do you have your guns, dog? Wait, I don't even have my guns. Give me my guns. The same weapons. My scar. My scar. My hunting rifle. Hunting rifle. Hunting rifle. Shit. Bitch. Bitch. The AJ! What the fuck? God damn, you piece of shit! What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? I said no third partying. That's how I'm fucking out, dog. Engage it! No! Engage it! Come on, agent! You don't wanna fight? Bing! What? Come here, buddy! Come here, buddy! Ding! Come here, buddy! Ding! What? Nah, bro, come here! Right, come on! What the fuck? Ding! 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 What? Ding! What? Nigga, you jump too much, that's all I gotta say! No, AJ! Why the fuck you always stealing my kill? Damn, bro, I fucking hate your bum ass! Fuck you! AJ, why you do this to me? Damn! Why you bullying me? You're dead. You're dead. Right, come closer, bitch! Ping! Fuck you. Fuck you, Ryan. I'm gonna beat you. But if it was a one-on-one, I'm gonna fuck you up in the ass. No, bitch. Alright. Alright, you already know the deal is a deal. If you're new, remember, leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye, fuckers. Shut the fuck up. Ryan is doo-doo.